Hey kids, welcome back to Just Keys. So, my beginning footage was cut off. I don't know how. I just lost the footage. So, anywho, I just want to come on here and say, hey guys, we are snowed and we can't go nowhere. You guys will see later on in the video how crazy it is out here. We can't do anything. We're literally snowed in. So I decided to go to the Dollar General, Dollar Tree, whatever, and I bought some paint and some stuff to and Knylah an apron, and we're just going to be stuck in and painting for this short period of time. So yeah guys, I just want to come on here and say hey real quick because my intro disappeared. So yeah, bye. What, Knylah? You scared? No, you're not. All of that. Okay, where's the top at for this?
How do you zoom?
You don't need to. I'll do it on my.
Oh, I got it. Look.
Okay, so Mama, tell the kids what we're doing.
We're going to do it before.
I don't know.
She's behind you.
Oh, show them what the cabinet looked like before.
Knylah, come here.
Human.
Kia, you hear your daughter?
Who is it?
It's daddy being annoying.
And Knylah was sitting on that side. So we're organizing my mama's cabinets, guys. We found these things. We're going to have a whole bunch of toothpicks after this.
Hey, Mama, here's.
Mama, we still got to paint these?
No.
Why y'all just didn't order something off of Amazon?
What? Knylah! Where's Knylah? Oh!
Oh, my goodness. Knylah scared me.
Okay, throw me something else.
Oh, this was empty.
Hey y'all, welcome back. It is Tuesday. I don't know where the vlog left off yesterday or anything. It is currently 9:16 and I got some super okay. My hair. Hold on. Let me just go ahead and wrap this on. I just got out the shower, obviously. And I got my hair with a deep conditioner and a mask on. I'm gonna probably let it sit in all day. So if y'all see my hair like this all day, it's because I'm trying to get my hair healthy. I think I'm about to start going back to the beauty shop. When Reagan sees this, she's gonna be like, because my hair is just going through a real weird transition. Like this part of my hair won't really curl, but the rest of my hair is super curly. Anywho, but I think I just need to go and get back into the shop and get my regular, you know, hair done. Maybe I'm just so nervous to flat out my hair because I have not flat out my hair in almost 5 years. 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, 4 years. And I just want my curl pattern to stay the same. Y'all know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, I woke up to some exciting news today. Like super exciting. So y'all know that book that I've been telling y'all, like, I'm writing a book, bitch, I'm done. And it's published on Amazon. Like, I'm gonna show the screenshot. It said congratulations. I'm like, I've been going back and forth and all this kind of stuff with Amazon to get it published, and it's there. I'm so excited. Like, that was one of my goals this year. Okay, time out. So Reagan and I had made vision boards in 2020, in like October 2020. Just some stuff that we wanted to do. What is wrong with my internet? It's literally not connecting. Like, I literally cannot not do internet today. This is not good. we set some goals for ourselves that we wanted to do. Now, every time I had goals, I never written them out or anything, but I wrote down that I wanted to write a book. I couldn't specify what kind of book it was. I was trying to go back and forth with my genre. Now I wrote a children's book targeting African American children. Anybody can buy it, but it's off of our race pretty much. But guys, I'm super excited. I'm gonna make a whole separate video about the reason why I wrote this book, how did I write it, all those kind of things, so you guys can leave all those questions down below. I'm trying to get online right now because I'm trying to order some, but it says the Wi-Fi is working. Let me look on my phone and see if it's connected. It's not trying to connect to my laptop. Oh no, it's not connected. No, we absolutely cannot do this. Great. I have so much to do today too, guys, so I need to sit at my desk and make me a little to-do list. And Nyla's here. I got a lot of stuff to do for work. I got to make a thumbnail for this video that just dropped this morning. I fell asleep on the video. I was trying to get the video by 8 a.m. and it went up, and I was supposed to make my thumbnail and like a puppet little form to put on social media. I went to sleep. I woke up and the notification was there. I was like, when you're sleepy and don't want to get your hair done. Hey Nylah, look baby. Here, Snacky. Snack. Come on, baby. It's okay. I know. Give me hugs. It's okay.
I don't know why people have.
Hey kids, it is Wednesday. Well, it's almost Thursday at this point. It's like 8:30 at night. Yeah, I've had like a super busy day. Like, I didn't even pick up the camera. That's how busy it was. Nobody liked this door. Y'all, look what we're going through out here. Like, when I say we are snowed in, hold on. Snowed in. Like, somebody did this for us, thank God. But we are snowed in. And, yeah, we can't really go nowhere. Hold on. But, yeah, guys, we are snowed in. We can't go nowhere. We can't do anything. So, that's the reason why I haven't really been vlogging. And I had such a super freaking busy day. Like, it's 8:30 and I'm just now able to eat. I ate earlier today, like a half of a sandwich, and I'm just now able to eat. My mom brought me Panda Express. Brought this little wonton thing. What's inside of it? Yeah. So I'm starving. I'm hungry. Like, that's the same thing, but I'm tired. I'm starving, but I am going to be up all night pretty much. Well, not pretty much, but I need to clean the bathroom and finish cleaning Nyla's room, finish putting up my laundry. Have y'all seen that meme? It's like, why do black people only put 30 seconds? Bro, black people hit 30 seconds 10 times. Just put 2 minutes, or what would be 3 minutes? I don't know, whatever. Okay, I don't think I like that. So yeah, guys, I'm about to eat my food. My camera's dying, so I'll be back. Good. Focus. Can you focus on me? Why can I focus on? Okay, really, why is it not focusing? Okay, is it focusing? Okay, it's focusing. Hey guys, so as you all can tell, what the heck? As y'all can tell, it's the next day. I know I was supposed to come back, so let me tell y'all what happened. I got up here in my room and I started watching two vlogs of two of my people that I watch on YouTube. And I was eating my food, I was relaxing, and I was like, I'm just gonna lay down for a second. So yeah, I think the rest is obvious. So yeah, now we're at Thursday. I'm so sorry, y'all, that this vlog has been so blah. Like, I don't even know if I left the house this week or my mom's house. Like, irritating. But what can I do? I'm stuck in, y'all. Like, look. Literally, we're stuck in the house. So for the people who's watching this, they do live in Dallas or Texas or Oklahoma or Alabama, any place that has this weather like this, I just want to say I am sincerely sorry, and I hope you guys are doing okay. Like, I have some friends and family in Dallas who do not have well, my lips are so chapped, who do not have power and having to sleep in hotels or whatever the case is. Like, I don't want to go too in depth with their business, but I'm just praying that you guys are doing okay. Like, really, I wish there was stuff that people could do to help. But yeah, guys, just stay safe out here. We are literally trapped in the house. Like, all we go is from my mom's house here, and it's really it's really tough just doing that. Like, I'm gonna see if y'all can see. Like, do y'all see? First of all, this car right here ain't moved. Ain't moved. But like, our neighbors was nice enough to come and try to clear off our driveways and stuff like that for us. I don't know if y'all can see, like, inside the cul-de-sac, how like the wheels, I don't know if you guys can see, like, in the cul-de-sac, how people have been trying to get out and stuff like that. Like, this is ridiculous. The state of Oklahoma, y'all, are really fucking out of pocket on God. Like, come and salt these streets down. Like, thank you. The main streets are, I've heard that the main streets and the highway are a little better, but in the same sentence, nobody can get there if you don't come into the apartment complex, the neighborhoods. Like, we're literally stuck. And for somebody like me who has a Honda Civic, whose car is literally touching the ground, I can't do nothing. Not a damn. So anyhow, that's my little vent about that. So I washed and blow dried my hair yesterday, and then I just had my hair in like 4 plaits. Like, I wasn't even trying to do a braid out or anything, and I just took it down because we've been trapped and I've been looking janky. So that's how my hair looks a little crazy. It is what it is. So yeah, guys, Knylah is still asleep. I wanted to take her to daycare, but as you see, nothing has changed. But I am about to do the stuff that I said I needed to do yesterday. My battery's fully charged, so let's get started, I guess. Guys, so it is currently 11:59, damn near 1. Look at my hair, oh my god. So Knylah is up now finally. She just woke up about 25 minutes ago. Basically I had to wake her up because I'm like, girl, if you don't get your butt up. So I'm getting hungry, so I'm about to take my lunch now. I made me a smoothie. Well, since the last time I saw you guys, I made me a smoothie, and then I've been working while she was asleep, so I got some work done. But now I'm about to make something to eat. I really want to eat something a little bit healthy, but I don't know. Let's see. Alright guys, I got everything out. I got everything out that I needed. It's literally like a pet peeve of mine when I can't find stuff. I just heard Knylah jump off the bed, so she'll be down here shortly. Yeah, I can hear her. When I get into my own place, it's going to be so nice. No shade, I'm just saying, for my preference, it's hard for me. That's the reason why I feel like I be buying a lot of stuff at the grocery store, because I be like, I don't know if we got it, I don't know if we got it, and we got it, but I can't find it because they don't be organized. But anyways, I think I'm going to make Knylah like a quesadilla, and then with some black beans on the side. She likes black beans for lunch. She just skipped breakfast, it's just too late. And then I think I'm gonna make me like a taco bowl. Knylah! Here she come. I'll wait till she comes before I cancel it. Close it off. Nyla's in her room. She ain't even try to look for me. She just went straight to the plane. Like, girl, bye. To it. Let's put on my jams. See what I want to listen to. What? I'm on Pandora, so. What's this right here? House. House. And look, see, it says, huh? Huh, say, huh? Huh. House. Ow. House. House. Go, Knylah. She's smart. Okay. Now, this one we haven't worked on. What's this? Rabbit. Rabbit. Good job. Hand five. Hand five. Okay, no hand five. Rabbit. Say r, r, r. R. Say r. A. Bit. Rabbit. Rabbit. It's okay. You're still doing good. What is this? Yeah, what is it? You drew on it, but what is it? Monkeys do eat it, but what is it called? Banana. Banana. Monkeys eat it? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Look, what letter is that? B. B. Banana. Mommy, I eat this. You eat the banana? Yeah. Look. Eat the banana. A car. Knylah, look. Hey. Look. What? A car. It's a car?
It's a car.
What? Beep. But Knylah, what's this? Banana. And look at this. Wow. Banana.
She told me a while ago, you go away.
What?
Nana eat too.
That's a banana.
Okay, what's this?
Banana.
You don't want it. You don't like it.
Mommy, banana.
You want a banana?
I want cake.
Cake?
Cake.
Mommy, I want cake.
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 Okay, what is this?
What? A car. Hey.
Huh?
Hey, a car.
This is
Your
a car? Wow. Ready to eat? Say your grace. Come on. God is great. God is good. Let us thank you for our food. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Amen. Here, taste it. You want mommy to taste it?
Yeah.
Look. It's cheese, see? No. Y'all. It's actually pretty good. She's such a picky eater in real life. So I'm trying to get her to eat more food. Eat the meat inside. Alright guys, so let's not do food shaming one. I'm not the best chef, but this is just like a taco salad, so whatever. So here it goes. We got the lettuce, the meat, the rice, the black beans, the corn, and then just a couple of chips for the crunch. You can put any type of sauce on it as you want, but this is what a taco bowl pretty much looks like in my eyes. So this is a healthier way of eating tacos, and for me, I have to have some type of crunch, so I just have a half of a taco, and then I just broke it up to some pieces. So I'm just gonna crunch all this together, like so. Yeah, peace out. Obviously, I don't have the opportunity to sit down and eat, so I try to clean up the kitchen, so I have to go back and do it. Knylah is potty training right now, and she's had an accident, so now we have to go change her clothes.
Mommy, hello. Mommy, mommy.
Let
Open.
This is all we do. Not the same dance, but we have to add this one with us. Say hi, Knylah. Cheers, sis. Oh, cheers, Knylah. Cheers for Deanna. Cheers. Is it good?
I'm so dead.
So guys, I'm off work. Deanna had to come and get us because we were starving.
Literally, they took forever to get out the house. Like, I'm never picking them up ever again.
Swear, we took okay. Cheers.
First of all, it's already like 20 minutes.
Deanna, Knylah wants to cheers with you.
Oh, sorry.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, anyways, it's already like 20 minutes out my way. So the fact that
Listen, watch your
they
show.
took forever to get out the house.
Tell
really
them why
pisses
we
me
have
off.
to take forever.
I mean, I understand why after carrying Knylah just to the door, to the restaurant for my car. I get it now. I definitely get it.
Y'all, Knylah is so slow, first off. But anyways, I really do appreciate Deanna for coming to get us. I really feel bad for Deanna low-key because she said, you want to go to eat? And I said, yeah, but I can't get down my driveway, so you got to come and get me. She said, whatever. She came, and then she said, and then I said, oh, but Knylah got to come because I don't got to sit. She said, okay. Then I said, oh, well, speaking of that, we got to go to my mom's house and get the car seat.
This is never ended. I honestly was gonna drive off. I should have just drove off.
But once we got in the car, it went by fast, right?
No, I probably would have been leaving by now. Leaving.
That's such a boost. You only got here 10 minutes earlier.
I don't know that.
Oh, this is good.
Good.
So guys, we're about to eat and then
If I want the nachos,
I haven't even looked. Is that the menu or this thing right here? I scan it.
yeah, that's Spanish.
Yeah, I was eating healthy today until I got here. Yeah. Y'all, here's my food. Don't this look good? This is the honest food. I gotta get a chip. It looks so good. This is Nylah's food. You like it? What?
I got a chip with everything.
You like it? Okay. Bro, it's so cold out here. Whew. Me and Lauren is about to go to Chick-fil-A because your girl want to shake. At this point, I feel like... You said what?
First, I need you to push this up while I lift this up. You push it up.
Oh my gosh, I fucking hate ghetto ass shit.
Ain't that how you fix the window? Okay, and you push it up. Ready?
It's cold.
Come on, pull. It's
My
morning.
daddy's car. I can't do that.
All right.
Get my camera. Never mind.
Bye.
Well, the window's broke. Y'all can't even see me. Hold on. Can y'all see me? Why does it look like I'm zoomed all the way in? The window's broke, so we can't drive that car. It's too cold. She said she wanted to eat.
She crying. Give her a cup.
Mama had it. It was right here. Mom, what'd you do with her cup? It was right there. Y'all, look at this shit.
Do you want brown juice now?
No, I wasn't craving a brown shake.
Bro.
Lauren,
I
okay.
used to work here, so let me tell you a trick. Let me tell you something about Chick-fil-A.
It's nasty. Tell us the tea about Chick-fil-A.
Let me tell you how to get a free meal from Chick-fil-A. Oh, I'm so fat. Take me off of there. I don't even want to see it anymore.
Okay, just do your sub part for how do you get a free meal from Chick-fil-A?
Okay, boom. So you just call them. And be like, hey, I came in and my order was wrong. Then I didn't get my fries or whatever. They don't even ask for a receipt. And those are like, oh, just come back and get it. And they'll just take your name down and then get a free meal.
Thought you gonna tell us something about the shakes.
Oh, the shakes is just in a bag.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not real ice cream?
Yeah, it's like, that's how you make ice cream. It's ice cream machine in there. And the thing about Chick-fil-A is we literally have to clean the ice cream machines every night. Like,
Oh,
take
so
them
you're
out,
not telling
soak
me
'em.
no bad things?
No.
Oh, okay. Y'all, so Chick-fil-A is really usually fast, but I think it's because they only have one lane. But this is OD. Niggas, Chick-fil-A is not that fucking good. What you gonna get if you go to Bronx?
I hate YouTubers. You know there's a Chick-fil-A that's 24 hours?
Where?
And they sell waffles.
Waffles? Where's it at? Please don't tell me they sell chicken and waffles.
Yeah, it's like Ohio or something. And it's super fancy. You could sit down and eat in there.
So it's like a real restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
I guess I'll let y'all know when we make it to the front, to the window.